Are you looking for the perfect outdoor swing that is fade resistant, waterproof, and stylish? We have the swing for you. So as you can see, it swings beautifully wide, back and forth. Has this beautiful coverage from wind, rain, sun, you name it. And it comes with 2 stylish pillows. It is pet friendly. Any pet hair will just wipe right off of this fabric. And I want to show you a special feature. My son loves it. It is so family friendly. If you pull these pins out, so once you have it in the laying position, you lock it into place. If you come under here, you'll see that this piece snaps and locks right into that bar. So it'll hold it steady, nice in place when you want to use it as a bed. Just move your pillows to one end, safely get in and lay down. It's perfect for evening, afternoon, nap time, under the stars, or just a nice fireside cozy retreat. This comes in multiple colors, multiple designs, has cup holders, phone holders, perfect detailing, and the best of all is this roof will move with the sun's tilt. So as it gets sunny in one direction, you can tilt it forward to keep the sun, wind, rain out of your face. All seasons, these cushions are just velcroed onto the back and can easily be removed, taken indoors for multiple protection. If you're looking for affordable quality outdoor seating, you're gonna want to get this swing. Turns into bed today for all your outdoor needs. Pick it up today.